You know those OTA bookings that totally feel like easy money? Yeah, let's talk about what it's actually costing you. Most OTAs like to take 15, 20, 30% right off the top. But here's what they don't show you. You still do 100% of the work. You don't own the guest relationship, and in many cases, you can't even compete with your own price. Let me go ahead and say this. This has nothing to do with being anti-OTA. It's about pro-profit. Because when OTAs become your default, that's when they quietly eat away at your margins. But when you use them as a lever to fill your gaps, not run your business, you stay in control. So here's the shift right here. Stop asking, did I fill that room? And start asking, what's my margin on this booking? And if you're looking for the full breakdown, you're gonna wanna read this post.